If you're ever in northern Michigan, there's a deer ranch in St. Ignace which costs $6 to get in. There are over 20 deers on the compound, and they are cute, adorable, and super friendly. You have three choices of fruits and veggies for them. You can either give them an apple, a mixed seed cup, or carrots. I prefer the carrots just because you don't get slubber on your hand. And it's also cool because on your way out, they have a sink with water and soap for you to wash the slubber off your hands.